So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lakshay here. So today we are gonna solve our lead code question number 328, which says odd even linked list. So what we have to do basically in this question? In this question we will be given a list like this, and we have to arrange the list in such a way that all the odd indices will be at first, and then which will be followed by the even indices. Means first we will display our all odd indices, then our even indices will come after that. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. First of all, let's take this example only. So our head is pointing here. So how can we distribute this list into odd and even and then join them? So for that we will create two pointers, odd and even. We will put our odd pointer here and even pointer at here. Now we will keep on traversing till our even either reach null or its next will be null. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, we can say like even next, the odds next should point to evens next. That is, odds next should point to evens next, and then our odd will be even next. So our odd will now go to evens next. Okay, so now odd is here. Then what we'll do, our evens next will now point to odds next. Okay, then our even moves to odds next. Okay, so now our even moves to odds next. Okay, now again repeat the same step, that odd next will point to even next, that is odd next will point to evens next, and our odd will move to even next. Okay, cool. Similarly, our even next will point to odd next, that is here, and our even will move to odds next. See, now we can see our even has reached null. That means we will leave our loop. So what we will get now? So our linked list will look something like this. It is 1, 3 and 5, and her other linked list will look like this, 2, 4 and null. Okay, so now how can we join them? So to join them, we know that our head will be currently now here, and our odd is here, and our even is here, but we need another pointer here to join these two links. For that, we will at the starting we will maintain another pointer, that is even head, that we will point at heads next. This is, so we will maintain an even head pointer which will be pointing here, and then we will join odds next with even head, and we will simply return our head. That's it. It will finally return our linked list like this. So this is our solution. This is how we can approach this problem. So let's write down its pseudocode. Okay, so first of all, if head equals to null, or if head next is equals to null, we will simply return head. Means only one element or no element is present. That's why we can't arrange them. So we will simply return our head. Then if there are more than one elements, then we will create two pointers. What is, we will create an odd pointer which will be pointed to head, and even pointer which will point to heads next, and also an even head which will point to our even. Okay, cool. Now we will start our while loop. While our even is not equals to null, or and our even next is also not equals to null, then we will keep on traversing that our odds next will point to even next, and then our odd will become our even next. Then our even next will point to odds next, and our even will become odd next. So after this loop will keep on traversing till our even reaches null, or our evens next is equals to null. After that we will simply join our odds next to even head, and then we will return our head. Okay, so that's it. It is our pseudocode. So let's talk about the time complexity. The time complexity for this approach is big of n. That will be our most optimized solution. The time complexity will be big of n because we are only iterating our list at once, and there are no nested loops, so that's why our time complexity will be big of n. So that's it. Below I will provide you the original code for this problem, but first you must try this with the help of this pseudocode. I think you can definitely do it. So that's it. Here's our code. So like we already discussed, it's same. Our head I equals to null or heads next equals to null. We will simply return head. If not, then we will create an even pointer, an odd, and an even head. And then we will have some conditions here. We will keep on traversing. After that, when this condition fails, we will simply odds next will point to our even head, and then we will return our head. So that's it. So that's for today. Thank you.